Okay. So, everyone, today we are going to start this series where we will review the famous books, the books which are lightning, the books which are effective, and the books which are going to play a very important role अगर आप इनको पढ़ते हैं, इनको understand करते हैं, and also अगर आप उन books को अपनी life में practically implement भी करते हैं. So in today's class and आने वाली जो सीक्वेंस है, जो सीरीज है क्लासेस की, आई विल बी रिव्यूइंग 2 to 3 books. ठीक है. Today is your lecture 11, lecture 12, and then lecture 13. So we will be reviewing 3 books, and then I will ask you people in the last 2 classes to give me presentations on these books and on tenses and on other grammatical topics which we have studied in this 1.5 month. Okay, so let's get started. I will review the book, and then in the last I will open your mics, and then I will ask some questions just to check your understanding. So without further delay, let's begin.
To 80% full. It's easy to overeat, especially when faced with so many food options. Many of us in the States are used to eating until we're 100%, 120%, or even 150% full. However, overeating has a way of wearing down our bodies because more food means a longer digestive process. And a worn down body shortens our lives rather than extending it. One simple way to do this: use smaller plates. Many studies have shown that people subconsciously portion out their food based on their plate size. When plates are huge, even a good amount of food looks small on it. Whereas if you have small plates, a relatively moderate amount of food looks filling. So if you want to practice eating to 80% full, use smaller plates next time you're sitting down for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And don't feel like...
Okay, the first concept in Ikigai tells us that we should have a controlled diet. इसका मतलब कि हमने बहुत ज़्यादा प्लेट्स को फिल नहीं करना. हमने अपनी जो एपेटाइट है, हमने उसको fully fulfill नहीं करना. We should be eating half of what our body demands, क्योंकि इस तरीके से हम ज़्यादा फास्ट जो है मूव करते हैं, हमारा माइंड प्रॉपर वर्क करता है, हमारी बॉडी लेजी या लेथार्जिक नहीं होती. राइट. इवन इट्स ऑल्सो अ हदीस कि अपनी जो पेट है उसका एक हिस्सा खाली छोड़ो, सो दैट हुजूर ने भी आपको इस चीज़ की तलकीन की है ताकि आप सांस लेने का जो अमल है वो कंप्लीट हो, वो प्रॉपर हो सके, जगह खाली हो आपके पेट में, आप मूव कर सको. सो सुस्ती और काहली से बचने के लिए द वन थिंग दैट इकिगाई ऑल्सो टेल्स अस इज टू keep a controlled keep a balanced diet. You should not be eating way too much. So ये first lesson है. You can also write it down somewhere. I will also ask you कि what was the first lesson told in the book.
You have to go back for seconds just because you don't feel the fullness that you're used to. Oh, I don't feel stuffed yet. I should go for seconds. Resist the temptation. Just good enough food might be extending your life without you even realizing it.
Okay, this is also a secret of a long life. So अगर आप कम खाना खाते हैं या एपेटाइट को थोड़ा सा रखते हुए खाना खाते हैं तो आपकी जो लाइफ का स्पैन है वो ज़्यादा हो जाता है. साइंटिफिकली इट इज़ ऑल्सो प्रूवन दैट पीपल हु कंट्रोल्ड ईट, हु ईट who have a controlled diet, they live longer and they live a healthy life, happy life. So for longevity, for aging slowly and to keep yourself healthy, you should not be eating 100% to your appetite.
Fill your belly to 80%. The number
80% balanced डाइट होनी चाहिए. आपकी डाइट सिर्फ 80% होनी चाहिए. मींस आपने फुल 100% अपनी belly को fill up नहीं करना.
2. Lesson from Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. In the line of eating, understand the Okinawa diet. Okinawa, the smallest and the least populated of the 5 main islands of Japan, was the site of the brutal Battle of Okinawa during World War II. However, in contrast to its bloody history, today it is known as the island with the most centenarians in the world. People who live up to 100 years old or more.
ओकिनावा की एक हिस्ट्री जो है वो बहुत ही ब्लडी हिस्ट्री रही है. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ वर्ल्ड वॉर 2. वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा लोग मरे हैं. पीपल वर बहुत उनके साथ जो है ना, उस पार्ट ऑफ द जापान में बहुत ज़्यादा जंगें हुई हैं, खून रेजी हुई है. बट टुडे अगर आप देखें तो दिस इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री एंड द वर्ल्ड ऑल्सो जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा बूढ़े लोग पाए जाते हैं. लोग बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक जिंदा रहते हैं वहाँ पे बिकॉज ऑफ द इन्वायरमेंट, हैबिट्स एंड द प्रैक्टिसेस जो वो वहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं. So the first one was कि आपने 80% तक अपनी belly को अपनी appetite को fill करना है. The second part was when you have to, the second part tells you like you should all have a purpose in your life. अभी हम ओकिनावा के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं, वहाँ के लोगों की habits को हम discuss करने लगे हैं.
And many Okinawans attribute this miracle to the Okinawa diet. One, a diet which includes a variety of foods. A study showed that Okinawa centenarians ate 206 different foods on a regular basis, with an average of 18 different foods each day. Two, a diet very heavy on fruits and vegetables. Okinawa centenarians ate at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. A simple way to check if you're eating a variety and eating lots of fruits and vegetables is to see how colorful your table is. A table that includes orange carrots, green spinach, white cauliflower, purple eggplant, and red peppers would be ideal. Third, grains. Grains are the foundation of the Okinawa diet. Rice and noodles. Fourth, no sugar. Okinawans rarely eat sugar, and if they do, it's cane sugar. This one, I don't think we need Okinawans to show us that eating too much sugar is bad.
Okay, the second thing we can do is to practice the Okinawa diet. Okinawa diet के मुताबिक आपकी डाइट में ज़्यादा fruits and vegetables होने चाहिए, grains होने चाहिए, ठीक है? So you should not have a lot of meat and spices in your diet. आपको एक balanced, colorful diet होनी चाहिए जिसमें ज़्यादा फल और सब्जियां हो, और उसके बाद जो second portion of serving है उसमें आपके noodles होने चाहिए या grains और rice होने चाहिए. बिकॉज इस तरह का खाना खा के आपकी बॉडी स्मार्ट रहती है, हेल्दी रहती है, एंड यू एज स्लोली. दैट्स वाई पीपल इन ओकिनावा दे आर लाइक इट्स द प्लेस जहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा सेंटेनेरियंस यानी 100 साल से बड़ी उम्र के लोग रहते हैं.
The Japanese secret to a long and happy life. Don't sit for too long. Get up and move. If you're a knowledge worker, you probably spend a lot of your time sitting in front of a computer, sitting in meetings, sitting to rest after a hard day at work. However, sitting too much not only affects our fitness, more specifically, lack thereof, it also has been known to increase appetite and reduce the desire to participate in physical activities. I know we've all personally experienced this. We sit in front of our computer for many hours, and when it's time to get up and go to the gym, we just can't do it. It's so hard. Our motivation to get up and get moving is completely sapped. That's why I like to use a standing desk as much as possible, because being on my feet has the effect of getting me out of that mental pit. But if you don't have access to a standing desk, just getting up every 45 minutes to stretch or going for a quick pick-me-up walk can have the same impact. A quick reminder before we move on, if you like all the lessons I'm covering here, please make sure to download your free one-page PDF companion guide that goes along with this video. It has all the lessons in a simple to digest one-page format. Go to the link.
ओके, सो इस लिंक के नीचे एक PDF है. आप उस PDF को डाउनलोड करेंगे तो सारे लेसन्स भी आपके सामने आ जाएंगे जो कि ओकिनावा पे है, ठीक है? सॉरी इस वीडियो में जो उन्होंने बताए हैं. सेकेंडली, अभी तक हमने डिस्कस किया है थर्ड पॉइंट को, जिसमें हम कहते हैं कि इफ़ यू आर सिटिंग फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग आवर्स, आपको चाहिए कि आप बीच में छोटी सी ब्रेक्स लें, गो आउट एंड स्ट्रेच योर सेल्फ, क्योंकि ज़्यादा देर तक बैठने से आपकी पोस्चर ख़राब होता है, बॉडी का पोस्चर ख़राब होता है, एंड एट द सेम टाइम इसका आपकी मेंटल और फिजिकल हेल्थ पे भी बहुत बुरा असर पड़ता है. सो यू शुड नॉट बी सिटिंग फॉर 2 आवर्स कंसिस्टेंटली. आपको उठकर ब्रेक्स लेने चाहिए या स्टैंडिंग डेस्क को यूज़ करना चाहिए.
I'll have in the description below to download your free copy. The number 4 lesson from Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. Manage your stress. Stress is a killer of longevity. Again, you probably don't need a book or a research paper to tell you this obvious fact. You've personally experienced the devastating effects stress can have on your emotions as well as your body. Stress makes us hot-tempered. Stress makes us anxious. Stress drains us. And worst of all, stress ages our body quicker because the body is wearing down much faster to fight the effects of stress. The American Institute of Stress investigated this degenerative process and concluded that most health problems are caused by stress. Bottom line, when we can better manage our stress, we live longer. But how? How to reduce stress, which leads to the next lesson. The number 5 lesson from Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. Practice the negative visualization, the practice of reflecting on our negative events, but without worrying about them, by regularly asking the question, what is the worst thing that could happen? Seneca, a stoic and one of the richest men in ancient Rome, practiced negative visualization every night before falling asleep. When he noticed his mind beginning to worry about something, he would ask himself,
most people have the misconception that Instagram is easy to do, but the truth is there's a formula to an effective
what's the worst thing that could happen? And he didn't just think about it. He would actually put them into practice to test out his theory. He would live for a week without servants or food and drinks that he was used to. Remember, he was a wealthy man. So the idea of losing the luxuries of life was a genuine worry for him. But when he realized that it wasn't as bad as he thought, he was able to overcome his worries and thus mitigate the stress that would have come from his worries. So next time we're stressed out about a potential negative event, practice negative visualization. I'm terrified.
नेगेटिव विजुअलाइजेशन एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग साइकोलॉजिकल वे है टू हैंडल स्ट्रेस। अगर आपकी ज़िंदगी में स्ट्रेस है, आप उससे ओवरकम करना चाहते हैं, तो आप नेगेटिव विजुअलाइजेशन को हर रोज़ रात को प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। अपने आप आंखें बंद करें, वॉट एवर हैज़ हैपेंड या जो भी हो रहा है, आप सोचें व्हाट वर्स्ट कुड हैव हैपन, इससे भी ज़्यादा मज़ीद बुरा क्या हो सकता है या आप उसको कैसे कोप कर सकते हैं। नेगेटिव विजुअलाइजेशन की वजह से आप पॉजिटिव चीज़ों को एम्ब्रेस करते हैं, यू फील मोर ग्रेटफुल और आपका स्ट्रेस लेवल कम होता है।
of losing my job. But spend the time to think, what are the real consequences? What would really happen if you were to lose your job? You'll have to look for a new job and you won't have a stable income until you find a new job, but you don't need to stress over the work issues anymore. No more emails to reply to, no more meetings. Maybe it's not as bad as you might think. The number 6 lesson from Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. Create financial redundancies. Another source of stress for many people is money. Not having enough of it, the fear of losing what they have, the fear of losing their current source of income. So work to mitigate this source of stress. Create financial redundancies in your life. Create a sizable emergency fund in your checking account. Fund your retirement investment accounts. Create additional sources of income or build your career capital so you have no problem finding a new job if you were to lose your current one. The authors of the book Ikigai interestingly found that many of the seniors they interviewed in Okinawa had a primary and a secondary occupation. Most of them kept vegetable gardens and made selling their produce at the local market as a second job. Not only did this keep them active, they had another source of income that mitigated financial stress. Financial redundancy. The number 7.
The sixth part of the book tells us about to have a stable source of income. So you should always have a side hustle, एक second job या एक ऐसी productivity जहाँ से आपको पैसा आए और आप उसको सेव कर सकें ताकि आप उसको कभी emergency में इस्तेमाल करें, या आपके पास कुछ ऐसा इनकम हो, सोर्स ऑफ इनकम हो जो आप उसके बारे में कंफर्म हो, कॉन्फिडेंट हो कि अगर आपका प्राइमरी सोर्स ऑफ इनकम चला भी जाता है या आपको कभी ज़रूरत भी पड़ जाती है तो यू हैव अनदर बैकअप विद यू, बिकॉज इन दैट वे आपको फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेस नहीं होता। सो फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेस को ओवरकम करने के लिए आपको बताया जा रहा है कि ओकिनावा के लोग भी अपनी फर्स्ट जॉब के साथ एक सेकंड ऑक्यूपेशन फार्मिंग का रखते हैं, वेजिटेबल्स को बेचते हैं। इन दिस मैनर उनके पास एक और सोर्स ऑफ इनकम होता है। सो इकिगाई के थ्रू हमें पता चल रहा है कि यू शुड ऑलवेज हैव डिफरेंट सोर्सेज ऑफ इनकम्स ready for you or in your hand so that you don't feel stress about this thing called money. 80% of the stress people face after 30s or in their 40s is because of money. So money के लिए stress करना अगर आपने avoid करना है तो you should find some nice good jobs जो कि सेकेंड टाइम आप कर सकें, किसी को ट्यूशन पढ़ा दें, कुछ ऐसा बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर दें जिसमें बहुत कम एफर्ट और टाइम लगता हो लेकिन वो आपका एक बैकअप या सोर्स ऑफ इनकम के तौर पर एक्ट करे। मैं रिवाइज कर रही हूँ, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने लेट ज्वाइन किया है। आज हम एक बुक पढ़ रहे हैं इकिगाई, हम उसका बेसिकली रिव्यू देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे। मैं आपको इस बुक का पीडीएफ भी शेयर कर दूंगी, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बुक है और ये वीडियो का लिंक भी मैं अभी भी आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर इट लेटर ऑन एज वेल।
Lesson from Ikigai.
सो हमने अभी तक पढ़ा कि इकिगाई एक जापानीज़ कॉन्सेप्ट है जो आपको हेल्प करता है आपका लाइफ का पर्पस समझने में और आपको ज़्यादा देर तक हैप्पी और हेल्दी लाइफ गुजारने के लिए, सो यू कैन लिव लॉन्गर एंड अ हैप्पी लाइफ। उसमें सबसे पहले आपको अपनी डाइट जो है वो बैलेंस रखनी है, आपको सिर्फ 80% खाना है ताकि आप इजीली मूव कर सकें, सांस ले सकें, एक्टिव रह सकें। सेकेंडली आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है ओकिनावा डाइट जिसमें ज़्यादा वेजिटेबल्स और फ्रूट्स हैं, ग्रेन्स हैं और राइस हैं और कम जो है वो मीट की तादाद बहुत कम है। मैं ये तो नहीं कहूँगी कि ना होने के बराबर है लेकिन इट शुड बी बैलेंस। ज़्यादातर आपका जो फूड है, जो डाइट है, इट शुड बी बेस्ड ऑन वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स। देन वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द सिटिंग पॉस्चर। अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक बैठे रहते हैं तो आपकी जो पॉस्चर है वो ख़राब हो जाता है और इसका आपकी मेंटल और आपकी फिजिकल हेल्थ पे बहुत बुरा असर पड़ता है। देन वी हैव सीन अबाउट व्हाट वाज इट, फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी। यू शुड ऑलवेज हैव अ सेकंड जॉब जहाँ से आप फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम हासिल कर सकें। सो यू मस्ट ऑलवेज हैव दैट अ प्लेस या कोई ऐसा जॉब जो आपको हेल्प कर रहा हो, आपके प्राइमरी सोर्स के अलावा भी आपके पास मनी जनरेशन का एक और सोर्स हो।
The Japanese secret to a long and happy life. And this is my personal favorite. Take it slow. Take things slow. Take life slow. Many of the long-living individuals interviewed by the authors recommended taking things slow because to them, slow living equated to better quality of life. When you leave urgency behind, life and time take on a new meaning. And I wholeheartedly agree with them, as you can guess by the name of this channel, Financial Tortoise, the slow and steady path to wealth. In today's fast-paced world, where we can access any and all information in a matter of seconds, and where we can buy a stock with a few swipes, the idea of taking things slow is counter-trend. You live once, so you want to do as much as possible. And if you want to live life to the fullest, you have to go faster, full speed. However, if we can learn wise lessons from those that have lived for 100 years, life is better when we slow down. Slow allows us to appreciate our surroundings. Slow allows us to enjoy the company of the people that are with us instead of thinking about what's next on our agenda. And slow is just less stressful. As we learned earlier, the key culprit to a shorter life. So next time you feel the need to speed up, to get to my destination faster, to get promoted faster, to make money faster, just take a moment to calm your mind and slow down. Walk slowly and you'll go far. The number 8 lesson from Ikigai.
ओके नंबर 7 लेसन वाज टू टेक इट स्लो। हर चीज़ में जल्दी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप चीज़ों को आराम से लेकर चलें, स्लोली लेकर चलें। जितना ज़्यादा स्लो लेकर जाएंगे जितने उतनी ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग और पायदार बिल्ड होंगे। सो हेस्ट में नहीं रहना, यू शुड ऑलवेज थिंक, प्लान एंड डू थिंग्स स्लोली एंड नाइसली।
The Japanese secret to a long and happy life. Do mental workouts. An Israeli neuroscientist, Shlomo Bresnitz, talks about this concept of mental workout in his book, Maximum Brain Power, Challenging the Brain for Health and Wisdom, that he co-wrote with Collins Hemingway. He argues that the brain requires a lot of stimulation in order to stay in shape, and especially as we age. It has been shown that maintaining an active, adaptable mind is one of the key factors in staying young. However, people, especially older people, have a tendency to do things as they've always done. Place a remote in the same spot every day. Sit at the same seat at the dining table. Eat with the same fork using the same right or left hand. Routines are great in a lot of levels. However, one downside with ingrained habits is that the brain doesn't need to think anymore. It's on autopilot. Muscle memory took over. And for a brain that needs activity to grow, it can atrophy. Thus, we need to actively work out our brain by constantly presenting it with new information, which in turn forces the brain to create new connections and revitalize. However, this is hard, as many of us who learned a new skill for the first time can testify. But these mental workouts are crucial to a long life. New stimulation is keeping our brain sharp and in shape, dealing with new situations, learning something new every day, playing games, and interacting with other people seem to be essential anti-aging strategies for the mind. In the line of mental workout, if you're looking for a great tool for a great mental workout, I highly recommend you check out Shortform. Shortform is a platform that produces super high-quality guides to nonfiction books. They have thousands of books within multiple categories like money and finance, self-improvement, and business. Their guides not only cover all the book's key ideas, but add commentary as well as detailed analysis. Shortform is also constantly expanding their library by dropping new book guides and articles every week, and subscribers like you and I even get to vote on which books they should cover next. Whether you want to discover new books or want to get deeper insights about some of your favorite books, if you want to get serious about mental workout, Shortform is the perfect companion. Join through my special link today and get a free trial of unlimited access to Shortform.
तो यहाँ पे वो आपको एक ऐप का, एक वेबसाइट का नाम भी बता रहे हैं जहाँ पे आप पेड, ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़ पेड, आपको पे करना पड़ेगा उनका सब्सक्राइबर बनने के लिए, लेकिन आप तमाम बुक्स को एक्सेस कर पाते हैं, उनके लेसन्स वगैरह पढ़ सकते हैं और इवन उनको बुक रिकमेंडेशन भी दे सकते हैं। बिफोर दैट it was told you कि आपको मेंटल वर्कआउट करना चाहिए। सो इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग अ प्रॉपर रूटीन और उस रूटीन को डेली एक ही तरह से फॉलो करना, एक ही बेड पे बैठना, एक ही जगह बैठ के खाना खाना, एक ही हाथ से खाना खाना, मीन्स द फैक्ट कि आप थोड़ा मूव नहीं करते, आप मेंटली चैलेंज नहीं करते, तो आपका जो माइंड है उसको जंग लग जाता है। ठीक है, सो यू नीड टू चैलेंज योर सेल्फ एवरी डे। ऑफ कोर्स कुछ हैबिट्स हैं जो ज़रूरी हैं, जैसे जिस जगह पर बैठ कर आप खाना खाते हैं, जहाँ पे आप सोते हैं, दैट इज़ सेम, बट द फैक्ट कि आप रोज़ कोई अच्छी बुक पढ़ें, या आप कहीं कोई नया स्किल सीखने की कोशिश करें, या आप कुछ ना कुछ दिन में कुछ नया एक्सपीरियंस करें, तो दैट विल इनेबल योर माइंड टू मेक न्यू कनेक्शंस। द मोर न्यू कनेक्शंस यू मेक, द मोर स्मार्ट यू बिकम, और जितना स्मार्ट आप बनते हैं, हैप्पी और एक्टिव आप होते हैं, उतना ही आपका स्ट्रेस लेवल कम होता है और आपका जो आपकी फिजिकल बॉडी है, जो आपका मेंटल हेल्थ है, वो दोनों बहुत अच्छे से काम करते हैं, और इस तरीके से आप कम बीमार होते हैं और ज़्यादा अच्छी ज़िंदगी गुजारते हैं।
Plus an additional 20% discount on the annual subscription. It's not only a great way to exercise your mind, but a great way to support this channel as well when you use my link below. Hopefully a win-win for all of us. All right, with that said, let's get back to the video. Number 9 lesson from Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. Sleep more. Sleep is the ultimate anti-aging tool that not enough people are talking about. And of all people, models know this best. Models make their living with their physical appearance. Their appearance matters a lot because they have to model this new line of clothes or this new product to the public. And people make buying decisions based on how a product looks on that model. Thus, you want the model to look healthy, and their skin is a big representation of that. So how do models get their skin to a taut, wrinkle-free appearance with healthy glow? By sleeping 9 to 10 hours, especially before a fashion show or a product review. And it's not just about appearance. When we sleep, we generate a hormone called melatonin. And melatonin has many different positive effects. It strengthens our immune systems, promotes natural production of insulin, slows the onset of Alzheimer's disease, and even contains an element that protects against cancer. So if you want healthy looking skin like models, as well as live longer, start by sleeping more tonight. Remove your smartphone from your bedroom, go to sleep early, and wake up later. All right, we talked a lot about how to live longer, but what about living better while living longer? Which leads to the next lesson. Number 10 lesson from Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. Find your purpose, something to live for. He who has a why to live for can bear with almost any how. It is nice to live until we're 100 years old. However, if it is void of meaning and purpose, it can feel empty. Our lives will feel frustrated without purpose. Viktor Frankl, the author of Man's Search for Meaning, spent 3 years in concentration camps during World War II. Pretty much everyone that he loved died during those 3 years. His parents, his brother, and even his wife. Afterwards, he founded logotherapy, a school of psychotherapy that describes the search for life's meaning as a central human motivational force. Essentially, life's purpose. This not only gives people the motivation to do amazing things, such as survive the Holocaust, but also give us a compelling reason to get out of bed every day and lead more fulfilling lives. We each have a unique reason for being, which can be adjusted or transformed many times over the years. The number 11 lesson from Ikigai, the Japanese...
Okay. ज़बरदस्त मुनीबा, गुड जॉब अगर आप ऑलरेडी पढ़ती हैं तो। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, मैं यहीं पर वीडियो स्टॉप कर रही हूँ। अब हमने जो जो चीज़ें डिस्कस की हैं मैं उनको आपके साथ, आपके माइक ओपन करके आपके साथ डिस्कस करना चाहती हूँ। सो एक दफ़ा मैं सब आपको रिवाइज कर देती हूँ और उसके बाद आप लोग मुझे बताएंगे 4 to 5 पॉइंट्स इकिगाई की बुक के बारे में कि उसमें कौन कौन से लेसन्स हैं और आप उन तमाम लेसन्स को मीन्स कैसे अपनी लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, अच्छा, तो अभी जो हमने लास्ट लेसन पढ़ा, व्हाट वाज दैट? What was the lesson?
Purpose.
Sleep early. Very good. It means कि आप जितना ज़्यादा 9 से 10 घंटे की स्लीप लेते हैं उस तरीके से आप ज़्यादा अच्छा मीन्स अच्छी क्वालिटी लाइफ या लंबी लाइफ, लंबी ज़िंदगी हासिल कर सकता है। द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं वो है टू फाइंड अ पर्पस इन योर लाइफ। यस, रिमूव मोबाइल फ्रॉम द बेड। सो अगर आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में एक पर्पस फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं तो दैट रियली हेल्प्स यू आउट अ लॉट। ठीक है, जल्दी से इसको भी कवर करते हैं।
Not only gives people the motivation to do amazing things, cultivate relationships. Purpose doesn't have to be something that we do. It could be someone. Talking each day with the people you love, that's the secret to a long life. I have noticed this with my own personal life. As my family have grown with a partner and children of my own, I have to think beyond myself. I'm no longer living just for myself. The decisions I make have an impact upon my wife and my kids. And while this could be burdensome in some ways, it is also powerful in a lot of positive ways. It motivates me to live my best life because I have a purpose beyond just myself. I have a family that I want to take care of. Additionally, I find so much joy spending time with my family that I never experienced when I was alone. Life isn't meant to be lived alone. It is crucial that we cultivate healthy relationships, especially with age. The number 12 lesson from Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. Seek flow. The famous documentary film Jiro Dreams of Sushi is about an 85-year-old sushi master named Jiro Ono, the master and owner of a Michelin 3-star restaurant who operated his restaurant pretty much his whole life. Interestingly, the restaurant only has 10 seats. So if you want to get a seat at this exclusive restaurant, you have to make a reservation months ahead. But what's most notable about the documentary isn't the restaurant, but rather the man himself. Jiro and his obsession with making the greatest sushi ever. He and his son go every day to the fish market and choose the best fish to bring back to the restaurant. Then he spends hours overseeing the process of making sushi, preparing the rice, the seaweed, the egg, etc. And while he has been doing this for the past 80 years, he doesn't get bored. He loves it and he's obsessed with it because he achieves a state of flow every time he's making sushi. He's in the zone, fully immersed in the sushi making experience. He's energized and finds so much joy in the process. The happiest people are not the ones who achieve the most. They're the ones who spend more time than others in a state of flow. Thank you guys for watching. In the spirit of principles like flow, if you'd like to learn about some of the other most powerful principles for life and money success, please check out my video here. Until next time, all the best.
Okay, the last lesson was very beautiful. It tells us about having a flow in our life. So अगर हमें कोई चीज़ अच्छी लगती है and we find happiness in doing it, we should continue to do it every day with a proper flow. ठीक है? And do it with obsession, do it with passion, because in that manner you can achieve success. And उसके बाद I will open your mics. Zainab. Amara, unmute your mic.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Amara, tell me 4 to 5 points from this video we have just discussed of Ikigai, the points which you have liked, and also tell me how will you implement these points in your life.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have 1 minute.
मैम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैम सबसे पहला जो था पॉइंट वो ये था कि हमें
English.
यस मैम वी शुड हैव अ पर्पस इन आवर लाइफ्स एंड सेकंड वी शुड वी मस्ट हैव ईट लेस we should fill our bellies 80% and remaining 20% we should fill our bellies 80% and then in this video he discussed about the World War II, like Japanese
We
suffers
have
a lot.
discussed.
Yes,
We have
ma'am.
discussed.
We have discussed Japanese suffers a lot due to World War II, but despite in this fact they have a lot of old peoples because they have a good habits and practices in their lives. Then we have discussed about Okinawa diet, that we practice Okinawa diets like grains and fruits in our diets, and we should use less sugar. That's why people of Japanese live long because they have a balanced diet.
Very good.
Then if we are sitting longer in a place, then we must have use small break for a while, and then we must manage our stress because stress are the reason of many problems. Then we discuss like we should have find some good job as a financial source, or so that's why we should manage our stress. Then मैम हमने ये डिस्कस किया था we should sleep more like 9 to 10 hours so that it must beneficial for our health. And then we should remove our smartphones before sleeping. Ma'am, that's it.
Complete this line now. We should remove smartphones from our bed.
So that we manage stress in our life.
So we could sleep early, and
Yes,
in this
ma'am.
manner, we could have a long sleep and will become more healthy. Thank you very much.
ma'am.
Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.